Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel that is Learn English with Priyanka. So if you are an ICSC or ISC student, this video is going to blow your mind. Did you know that for decades after independence, ICSC exam papers were checked in England? Yes, your seniors from the past had their answer sheets shipped thousands of kilometers away, locked in safes just to be corrected. But why? And when did India finally take charge? Stick around because this is a story you need to know. Yes. So let's rewind to 1950s and 60s. India had gained independence in 1947, but guess what? The Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations, that is CISCE, which conducts the ICSC and ISC exam, was still dependent on England for checking papers. The reason? The British system of education had deep roots and they believed that only British examiners could evaluate Indian students fairly. Yes. Now imagine this. Every single answer sheet was carefully packed and sent overseas. And not just that, the question papers were also set in England. Yes. So this means that students had absolutely no idea what kind of British style questions they were going to face. Now, if you think modern ICSE papers are tough, imagine being graded by someone who does not even live in your country. But how did this all change? Enter 1970s, the era of change. Yes, 1970s witnessed a lot of changes. Finally, in 1970s, the CISC board declared its independence from British oversight. India said enough is enough and took the full control of ICSE and ISC evaluations. From then on, examiners in India started setting and correcting papers, making it more relevant for Indian students. So let's be honest, that was long overdue. So, next time you are stressing over your ICSE exam, just be grateful that your paper isn't flying halfway across the world. You have Indian examiners who understand you and your syllabus. Now, before I go, here is something fun. If you think ICSE exams are still as challenging as before, let me know in the comments. And hey, did you enjoy this little history lesson? Then do not forget to like, share, or subscribe to your own channel, that is Learn English with Priyanka. And remember, history is full of surprises. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Bye bye.